split markets find fun. Old TFT LCD color TV, and only €2. Here's the 12, but this was €2, and I managed to find 12 volts power supply, only €1. Covered plastic, still on. So little bit scratch in here. Let's go. A big baby is only third. Let's see if this is working. Power on. Blue screen. Of course, I don't have any remote control. Menu. Menu is here, okay. Brightness, contrast, yes. English blue on timer. It's working. Now I need to lose maybe this antenna, I believe. I managed to find here's the imported 2006 made in Hong Kong. Korowa made in China. EV connection. AB AV input connection. It's a USB. At least it's a USB style. I need to measure those pins. If there is voltage of any kind. No voltage. So maybe they use this USB to input audio and video. I need to test. Old mouse USB cable, so I can use that for test. Test wires. No video. I didn't have found video, but I have sound. I need to check some of those connections, like that one, and absolutely this one. This is the very bad. It's a miracle if this kind of job even work anyway. Some progress has been. I just traced those 82 and the one ground came this size of the board, and I have make this connection, and now I need to test. Something is showing, but this is not so good. No, no, no. Something went very badly wrong. See here. This video signal is so bad. So if I change this blue on, this picture go.
I just want to, I suppose I should thank George Clooney for one.
No, 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 no.
I also thank Joe and Ethan Cohen and T-Bone Burnett, Mercury Records and Rounder Records and Dubuchet Records, and all the people who participated on such a wonderful record, and all the fans who have supported it. Thank you so very, very much.
Oh. Well, is what we use, and this signal coming from PCR, so I need help. I need help. There's no way. It's time to change some electrolytic capacitors. This is from year 2006, and I believe this is mounted in a truck or something with this bracket, and maybe this has been on every single day for over 10 years. Maybe. I change. So let's see what happened. 116. Click. It's open. I bent those legs, and now it's service mount component, like, let's put in place minus. Now, like that. Those 100 microfarad, 16 volts. Let's see if this make any difference. Power on. Video on. We have sound. Aerial channel. No change. Sound is okay, but no video. I found, and now I make this happen like here. Power on. Power on here. Menu. Auto. Go. Let's see if this can found this music video what I have here. Yes, let's go ahead. Stop. Manual.
Everybody at MCA, thank you so much.
It's working. So I can use this for video monitoring, but no video. Let's put earth for this. Now picture quality is much better. Still jumping.
The songs that he writes.
This is not.
Simple truths that when he went this week he couldn't sleep because of an idea that he had for this song kept running through his head. So early in the morning he got it.
For now, I choose to replace this little fellow here for a tooth of 0.5 watts. This is so sad sound. One bad connection here, like you see here. This not touch. This VCC. This is video ground. What is coming?
Rather than a performer.
But sound is much better now.
First here's a young lady.
No, this is awful. Thank you for watching.